Good morning, YouTube. Today, we're going to do an oil change on a Porsche 911 Turbo. It's the 996. So what year is this?
02.
It's 2002. Takes a crap load of oil. How many? It's like
8.5 or 9.
8.5, 9 quarts, yeah. And of course, yeah, it's kind of crammed in there, but we'll do most of the work under the car, so shouldn't be too bad.
Can't stop, won't stop.
Deutschland, Deutschland, über alles.
Good news is, like most German cars, we got the oil filter right there, so that's gonna be easy. But of course, we're gonna have to get this thing up in the air to get to the drain plug and all that stuff. So I got my quick jacks under there. We're gonna bump it up until it just barely touches the car, make sure they're aligned right.
Go back down a little bit so I can rotate this.
It's important to make sure you got your jack points set up right, otherwise you're gonna be in trouble later. Got them both aligned. Up we go. Ah, so much easier. There we go. So that's the turbo sump, I guess is what you'd call it. So there's a drain plug there. There's a drain plug in the actual oil pan right there. And then there's a drain pan on the main sump way over there. And then of course another one on the other turbo. So there's 4 plugs it looks like. Hopefully that's all it is. God damn, it's hot under here.
Yeah, it is.
Woo! Alright, so this is a 15mm socket. And we're gonna attempt to not have it spray us, especially because it's hot. Do you want like a true mechanics glove?
You have one?
Yeah. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna try not to burn. Adam's gonna try not to burn himself.
I'm scared.
I am too. Ooh, not too bad, not too bad.
Not at all. It's about January is when I changed it last.
Well, that's not too bad. It's a 19mm socket, but they recommend holding that big nut above it, or I guess it's the actual sump itself, and that's 27mm. So
The header is right here, and I'm scared of burning myself. This would be easy peasy on a lift.
yeah, well, we don't have that luxury. Oh, that was not that tight.
That's what he said.
Haha. Finger it and let it flop into the catch.
Ow! That hurt. Ah!
Hot?
Yeah, I touched the header.
Oh. Use the glove. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Oh shit! Shit!
The longest continuous oil spill in American history.
Oh, it's hot. You alright? How you doing, Adam?
Covered in oil.
Oh my god.
The USA is going to want to invade me now.
What about people who say you're only interested in the Middle East for oil?
What? Huh? Oil? Who said something about oil, bitch? You cooking?
Oh my god, that's almost as bad as my 430. Son of a
That
bitch.
is terrible.
That went everywhere. Damn. That went poorly.
Very. These are brand new shorts.
You wore brand new shorts to oil change?
I've worn them like 3 or 4 times.
Alright, we're gonna put back in the drain plug for the sump with the new crush washer.
We'll still have to torque that, but
Yeah, we'll torque it in a minute. We just wanted to stop draining.
Alright,
Alright, so now we're gonna get the little turbo sumps, which supposedly don't have all that much oil in it, but there it goes. That was a decent amount of oil.
it was just as hot.
Yeah, I'd imagine. Alright, got the new crush washer on the drain plug. So we're torquing it down to
22.
22 foot-pounds. Yay.
Yay, torque.
Yay.
Look, Mom, I'm torquing.
Alright, drain plug for the crankcase with the new crush washer.
Balls.
Oh. Alright, round 2. Everything's a little harder when it's all oily.
Yeah, it is. And hot.
This guy's gonna get torqued down to 52.
Yeah.
52 foot-pounds. Woo!
Set this right? Yeah, 52.
Damn, that's a lot of torque. Jesus. Alright, good luck on the next time.
Follow their specs.
And finally we torqued down the sump to 44 foot-pounds. There we go. Woohoo! Now we've got the adapter for the oil filter, And we're unscrewing the oil filter. Portion their infinite wisdom gave us a little thing that hopefully means the oil's not going to go everywhere. That would be really nice. It's probably hot as hell. That's my guess.
Just in case.
There you go. Ooh,
Huh! Look at that.
Oh, cleaning out some of the oil that's in there. Some of the nasty. Pulled off a little O-ring on the top. Gotta put the new one on.
A little bit of oil.
A little oil. Put some new oil. Ended up with some oil.
Oil.
There at the tip.
Just the tip, though.
Just the tip. Yeah.
Mm.
Oh yeah.
Work it.
Work it. Did you replace the other O-ring?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it comes in. Yep.
Apparently he's gonna do it with his magic fingers.
Now I can't let it beat me now, though. Aha!
See?
Great success!
There it is. Woohoo! New O-ring lubed up.
It's so tight.
And
No, really, it is.
you're all greased up now. There it goes.
It's like putting on a condom.
Now the oil filter. Does it matter which direction?
I don't think so. I don't see any
Looks pretty
sort of...
universal. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see any sort of...
Stick it on. Yay!
Yay!
Stick it in the hole.
They said fill that up with new oil.
Really? All right. We added a little bit of oil. So where the oil filter goes. It says a quart, but damn, that seems like a lot.
Well, because they were saying that this is what feeds the
I guess
heads
it drains
and
down.
the turbo.
Okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense. So maybe it's just.
And they said it's slow going too.
Oh, okay. So it's gonna be a little while. You can actually see the oil. Stick it in the hole. 19 foot-pounds.
Any day now would be swell.
We're gonna do what, 8 quarts at first or so?
Yeah, that's what it says.
All right. Start with 8 and then get that last half. Glug glug glug. ZW40 Mobile 1. All right, got 8 in there. Now what, Adam?
We start it, let it get up the temperature, measure it, and top it off as required.
Okay. Alright, so we got the Porsche back on the ground. We're waiting for the oil to get up to temperature because this car doesn't have a dipstick. It's got one of the electronic things. You gotta push a button and it says, you know, measure oil, but it has to be at the proper temperature for it to measure oil temp. So we're waiting for it to get up to oil temperature. Alright, now it's finally measuring. A little low?
Yeah.
How low was it?
I mean, it was above the minimum mark, but I'll probably put a half quart in, recheck it.
Okay. All right, there you have it. Changing the oil on a Porsche 911, the 996 Turbo. Not terribly difficult. 4 bolts on the bottom, or 4 drain plugs on the bottom. Oil filters up top, 8.5 quarts of oil, 0 W40, and that's it. So we'll have links in the description below if you want to buy all these parts. You guys are awesome. Thank you as always for watching. We're going to be doing a lot of car stuff. You're going to want to stay tuned. It's going to be sweet. Also, go check out our other video. We just installed a new exhaust on this thing, so you're going to want to see that video. Go check it out.